In this video, I am going to share you the topic types of insulators. The overhead line conductors should be supported on the poles or towers in such a way that current from conductors do not flow through supports, and this is achieved with the help of insulators. Insulators provides the necessary insulation between line conductors and supports and prevents the leakage current from conductors to earth. These are many types of insulators, but most commonly insulators are pin type, suspension type, strain type, shackle type, and stay insulator. The successful operation of overhead line depends on proper selection of insulators. First one is pin type insulator. This type of insulators are generally used in power distribution and short transmission lines for voltages up to 33 kV. Pin insulators are used when line is straight. Construction of pin insulator is simple and they also requires less maintenance as compared to the other insulators. Pin insulator is designed to be mounted on a galvanized steel pin, which in turn fixed with the cross arm of the tower. There is a groove on the top end of the insulator for keeping the line conductor. Conductor is tied with the groove by wrapping the same wire as that of conductor. For low voltages, one piece of pin insulator is used. In case of high voltage system, two or more pieces are used. Now we will see the advantages of pin insulator. First one is pin insulator requires a shorter supporting structure to give a support to the conductor as compared to the other insulators. In case of carrying less load, light conductors are used for low voltages. In that case, one pin insulator is enough for performing the work instead of several units, which is very economical. Second advantage is mechanical strength of pin insulator is high. Here, multi-piece units are used in high voltage. One advantage of using several units of insulator is that defect in one petticoat or rain shade doesn't affect the mechanical strength of insulator and it continues to function with full capacity. Next advantage of pin insulator is it can be connected in horizontal as well as vertical position. Now we will see the disadvantages of pin insulator. Cost of pin type insulator increases rapidly when it is used for high voltages. And the other disadvantage is pin insulators can only be used up to 33 kV. Beyond operating this voltage, it becomes bulky and uneconomical. Now we will see the applications of pin insulator. In some cases, one pin insulator can perform the work instead of using two suspension insulators. This type of insulators are used on intermediate poles on a straight run. Next insulator type is suspension insulator. Suspension insulators are generally used for voltages higher than 33 kV. These insulators consist of number of porcelain discs which are connected in series with the help of metallic links to form a suspension string. Each insulator of suspension string is called as disc insulator because of its shape. Line conductor is suspended from the bottommost insulator while the top end of insulator is secured to the crossarm of tower. Each disc is designed for 11 kV. For high voltages, a large number of discs are provided on the string in order to increase the insulation strength of suspension insulators. Now we will see the advantages of suspension insulators. The first advantage is current carrying line conductors are suspended from the bottom insulator of suspension string, which means that they are placed below the crossarms of the metallic tower. This arrangement makes the conductor to be protected from lighting. Second advantage is suspension type insulators are cheaper and economical than pin insulators for voltages beyond 33 kV. Next advantage is if any disc is damaged in a suspension string, it can be replaced easily. There is no need to change the whole string of suspension insulators. Each suspension disc is designed for 11 kV. We can increase the voltage handling capacity of these insulators by connecting a number of discs in series. In this way, system can be designed for any operating voltage. And the last advantage of suspension insulator is suspension string is free to swing in any direction, due to which it can easily take the position where mechanical stresses are minimum. This arrangement also provides great flexibility to the transmission line. Now we will see the disadvantages of suspension insulators. Insulator string is free to swing in any direction in case of suspension insulators, due to which the amplitude of conductor swing is large. Hence, more spacing between the conductors is required, which is provided by making the arms of tower longer. Next disadvantage is these insulators becomes costly if they are used for voltages below 33 kV. And last one is suspension insulators requires a large supporting structure to give a support to the conductors as compared to pin insulator. Next type of insulator is shackle insulator or spool insulator. This type of insulator is generally used in low voltage distribution lines. Shackle insulators are used in both horizontal and vertical position. They can be directly connected to the pole by using bolt or cross arm. Line conductor is fixed in the groove with soft copper or aluminum binding wire. Tapered hole in shackle insulator distributes the load more evenly, due to which possibility of breakage reduces during heavily loaded condition. Now we will see the next type of insulator, strain insulator. When there is a dead end or there is a sharp corner or curve in transmission line, the line experiences excessive tension. In order to sustain a conductor load in tension, strain insulators are used. For low voltage lines up to 11 kV, shackle insulators are used as a strain insulator. In case of high voltage transmission lines, strain insulator consists of an assembly of suspension insulators are used. Disc-oped strain insulators are used in vertical plane, while suspension string is arranged in horizontal manner. Strain insulator must have good mechanical strength and necessary dielectric properties so that it can withstand the tensile load of conductor. If tension in the line is high, as in case of long river spans, 2 or more suspension strings can be used in parallel to sustain greater tension. Now we will see the last type of insulator is stay insulator. Stay wires are generally used with the poles at the end of streets, rivers or lakes in low voltage lines. If stay wire is not installed with the poles may bend or fall down since there is tension on the pole at such positions. Hence, stay wires support the poles by providing mechanical strength. Stay insulators are rectangular in shape and it is installed in the middle of stay wire. If electric fault occurs and current flows in the stay wire, the lower part of stay wire remains insulated due to the stay insulator. In this way, living beings on the ground remain safe during electric faults. So these are the main types of insulators which prevents the leakage current from conductors to earth. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.